All those wicked primary 4 teachers that used to beat children very well because they couldn't read and write did not do well. And our parents too will support the motion care. Except the child is very stubborn and disobedient, you really don't have the right to be mercilessly beating a child that couldn't read and write or having problem with pronunciation and memory. That thing is a complex situation of the brain. We call it dyslexia, maybe due to genetics or the woman was exposed to toxins that affected the baby's brain during pregnancy. Listen, it's not because the child is unintelligent or is not willing to learn like the other kids, but it's just some altered state of his brain structure and then imbalance in neurotransmitters. So some of these children flourish in other skills, maybe like sports or playing of instruments or whatsoever. You and the teacher will now carry bulala and start screaming on that child to read and write. That child is confused. This is why our brain is not able to organize words and letters very fast, just like the way you are reading the subtitle bouncing up and down. The memory is not remembering the last lesson in sequence. That's why you see some adults, they have grown up but they can't still read and write. Listen, you can only use subtle means to approach people with dyslexia. One of it is breaking down learning into super simpler steps. That means the child will need special attention like a dedicated lesson teacher. Through visual aids too, like infographics, flashcards can help that kid browse about them. Brain food like omega 3 will also go in long way. Also, there are some interesting technology that can help people with dyslexia. Do your research and you'll be happy at the end. Tap that follow button for more of this. It doesn't bite.